Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican back at you with another video, and we're doing part 4 or 5. I lost track. We're doing the milk game. Game 5.
Yeah.
We're doing the milk game, and we're gonna be milking some cows today. So let's get into the video,
milking
guys.
them back.
Wow.
Oh no, but I have to do
Look
the
at
motion
your hands as you milk.
Okay. So I gotta do it like this.
We're milking cows, guys.
Once the milk starts coming out, make sure to squeeze thoroughly. Focus on pressing the buttons from top to bottom. Don't forget to good work. All done.
Oh man.
I got you. I feel like I got you.
Yay!
You got
Dang,
skills.
12 cups.
Wow. So
Wow.
guys, you might see.
It's a milking crow.
I am. You might see that the win is on her side and the lose is on my side. It's just, it flips it for some reason. So if you see it opposite, like, yeah, that's why it's opposite. Like,
Yeah.
I'm actually winning and she's actually getting her ass kicked.
Look at your hands as you milk.
Look at your hands as you milk.
All done.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, I don't know who got it this time.
Thanks for
Oh!
Wow. That's the first time that's ever happened. Okay. High five, babe. Draw. Okay. Milking crows.
Right? Well, look, like I was. No, we were both
tied,
we were
literally.
both, like, tied up.
That's crazy. Okay.
Okay, it's a challenge now. It's a challenge. Let's get it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a challenge now.
milk.
Okay.
Let's milk it, guys.
Okay.
Face each
Be
other
careful.
and get ready. Hold your Joy-Con and press the SL and SR buttons.
Hold your Joy-Cons, guys.
Ready?
Steady.
Milk. Look at your hands as you milk.
I like how we're both doing it so differently. I was
Right?
doing it how he was at first, but I felt like it just wasn't working for me, so I want to try holding the Joy-Con this way.
All done.
Okay, I
Oh,
got
no.
her. I got her.
Right win.
Hey!
Oh my god,
No, I thought-
14! You thought I was gonna say draw, right?
No, yeah, I think it was gonna say draw.
I thought it was.
I got 14. That's a new
Dang,
record.
That's a record, yeah. 14 cups of milk. Wow.
That's a new world record, guys. Safe crack. So our next video is gonna be safe crack, guys. So stay tuned. It's been your boy Epic. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Let's
Smash
get
that
it.
shit.
It's been your boy Epic. Let's get it, man.